Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to change your Instagram profile photo. It takes a couple seconds and it's easy to do. Watch. To do this, you go to your profile, and here you click on the button, Edit Profile. And here you select the button, Edit Picture of Avatar. You click, and then you select the profile picture. You click on Choose from Library, or if we need it, we just delete the old profile picture. In order to add a new one, we go to our gallery, choose the photo we need here, and click Done. After that, we wait a couple of seconds. We refresh our page, and we see that the new photo is already installed on our page. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. Nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. See you later. Bye bye.